Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to configure and deploy a MACD crypto trading bot on the Quadency platform. As you can see, I've already done some back testing on this particular strategy over a 1-month time frame, and the results were nearly a 40% return on a $500 investment. So in my book, that would be winning the battle. Now, before we get too far into the weeds on how to configure this strategy, if you're not familiar with Quadency, they are a crypto trading platform that has quite a few different features, and I've been using them for a while now. You can check my playlist under Quadency, and you'll see quite a few different videos I've already created on the platform. One of the features I like is the unified platform, which is basically their trading terminal. It allows you to connect all your exchanges through your API addresses to this one platform and actually execute trades without having to jump between the different exchanges. Another feature that is pretty handy is the InstaSwap, which is basically your DeFi exchange type swap. But today we're going to be focusing on the trading bots. Now, as far as the investment required to get started, you can actually get started for free and actually be able to deploy the bot I will be deploying today. Now, I will be using the Pro account, and you can actually get a free Pro account simply by clicking on the link down in the description below and by connecting one of the partner exchanges. Are these 5 exchanges? Now, I will be using the KuCoin exchange today as my exchange, and if you don't have a KuCoin account, you can actually click on the open button and set up a new account, and you will receive 6 months free of the Quadency Pro account. So again, click that link down in the description, connect your API keys for your exchange to the platform, and you'll receive the Pro account for free for either 3 or 6 months. And with that all being said, the fact you're connecting your API keys to the platform, you're not actually sending money to Quadency. Your money is staying on your exchange, and it's as secure as it can be when it's on an exchange. So that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to actually configuring this bot and get it deployed. Now, after you've signed up, you may need to add your exchange. You would just do so by clicking on Add an Account, an exchange account, or a manual wallet. Once you have an exchange connected, then from the menu bar up here at the top, you'll click on Bots. And that will take you to a list of their available bots. And you can see there's a wide variety. Now, some of these are only available to the Pro account. However, the MACD is available to the free account. So you would just click Select, and then it will want you to configure the parameters of your bot. And the first thing you would need to do is name your bot. And in this case, I named my bot MACDX. And the reason I named it MACDX is the way this bot actually works is by using the MACD indicator to buy and sell your positions. And what it's looking for is when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it will buy. And then when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it will sell. If you're wondering what this pattern actually looks like, you're looking at the blue line crossing over the red line. Now I'm going to jump out to TradingView to give you a better idea of what that looks like. So if we look at the chart on TradingView, the blue line is my MACD line, and when it crosses the red line, that's going to trigger a buy. So you would look at that cross right around in this range, and then it doesn't sell until that blue line crosses down below that red line being the signal line. And we get that over in this range. So we go from here to there for a profit. It is actually a very basic and simple strategy, yet very effective. And now I've got the name of my configuration. I need to choose my exchange. And as I mentioned, I'll be using KuCoin, and so the account will be KuCoin. Then I need to pick my market. And today I'm going to be trading the pair ETH USDT. And you can basically type in whatever market you want here. You could do ETH BTC, but today I'm going to be doing ETH USDT. And then next, it will show you your available balances to trade. And you can see on KuCoin, I have $2,500 to trade. And I don't have any ETH currently, but that's not actually required because the configuration will buy once MACD crosses above the signal line. So then I'll hold ETH. And then you need to give your bot some ammo, and in this case I'm going to give it $500. And then the most important part of this strategy is determining your slow, your fast, and your signal periods. Now the industry default is 26 for the slow period, 12 for the fast period, and 9 for the signal period. And as you can see, I've actually made quite an adjustment based on my experience, my back testing, and my results. And I made the MACD slow period 52, MACD fast period of 24, and the MACD signal period of 12. And before I forget, you also need to set your candle time frame. And in this case, I'm going to be using the 1 hour candles. And so that is basically it when it comes to the configuration. And now you need to actually do some recon and back test your strategy. And you do that by clicking on the back test button. And then you would click back test and it will start the back test. Now I've already done my recon and you can see my back test summary shows a result for 1 month period, and you can see my back test was completed today on January 28th 2021, and the window of that back test was a start date of 12/27/2020 through January 26, 2021, so a 1 month period. And as such, I ended up with almost a 40% return. Now for me, that is winning the battle, and I will deploy this bot. And again, based on a $500 investment, my ending capital would have been around $700 with a profit of $194. And if you're an action junkie and you're looking for a lot of action, this bot actually saw 32 trades over a 1 month period, so about a trade a day. That should satisfy most of you out there. And if we scroll down, you can see the details. It will show you your buy and your sells. So here would have been a buy at 12.36 and then it sold at 13.36. That would have been a winner. Here's a buy at 1200 and a sell at 1400, another winner. And then a loser where it bought at 13.74 and sold at 13.03. So you understand you're not going to win all the trades. And if we zoom into the trading view chart, you'll see this little green arrow. It might be hard to see, but there's a green arrow here for the buy, and it runs all the way up until this point, and the red arrow, which will correspond to the blue line crossing over, and the blue line crossing down. So the red arrow's the sell, and the green arrow's the buy. So now, after a successful back test, it's time to start this bot live, and all I need to do is click on the Start Live button, and it wants to confirm my account of KuCoin, and I click Start Live. I just got a text alert on another trading opportunity, but regardless, I'll ignore that for the sake of this video. And you can see the bot is now live and trading. And so that pretty much wraps it up. It's that easy to deploy a bot on Quadency. Now I'll be doing an update video in the very near future on how this bot is performing. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to Quadency in the description down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.